Alright folks, hey, what's up? How's it going? Welcome to this video. Here we are on the Angus Bethune channel. I'm Angus Bethune, and thanks for tuning in. Today we've got an unboxing video, and let's just get into it. This is obviously a fork box, but we got something special in here. Sight unseen. Go on low penetration. This is exciting. This is quite the unit. Putting together an old Giant Faith. It's like the ultimate free ride bike from 2006. And it came with a 888. I mean, from the factory it came with a single crown fork, but when I bought it, it had a 888. And the 888's a little knackered. The clamps are kind of stretched out. Just didn't have the feel that a free ride bike with, free movement should have. Bought this within the country. Now we get to see after just 3 mediocre pictures whether she's what it is said to be. Oh, it's heavy. 2000, I believe it's 2007 6.6 with the ETA. So that's like a climb switch. Super old school, but I'm going to be climbing with this bike, so a couple little nicks. No leaks. Definitely a decent little nick there that I'm going to polish up a bit. And some rash here and there on the crowns, but that is a gem if you ask me. You'll see it's missing the axle, and I just happen to have one of these sitting in my workshop. So I'm dialed. This is going to be crazy. Apparently it's got an 8-inch steer tube, so we'll measure that up. It looks pretty decent, give me some room to play. Seems like a win to me. 235, 200 plus shipping. Can't complain. I think it's going to be sweet. See if it needs an oil change and get her on the bike, and you guys will get a look at that too. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out my channel and all that stuff. Thanks to all the people that do subscribe. Until next time, later.